Alright, here I am with a Maxi TPMS. I am changing the TPMS sensor to the right rear. So I'm going to program the new one before I install it in the tire. So let's go down here to the right rear. I'm going to put my sensor sitting in here. I'm going to hit yes to copy. It says it's checking. I'm at least 4 feet away from the left front. There it is. Beautiful. There it is. Alright, so this one is going to the right rear. Yes, it is. Okay, so it's programmed, ready to go. This is the one with the rubber valve stem instead of the metal one. See it? Even though they tell you that the metal one can replace the rubber one, I'm not sure if the rubber one can replace the metal one. But anyway, I'd rather put back what I take out. Better off, okay? This is made by Autel. Let me get you the part number for this one. This is from AutoZone. MX Sensor -1. This is the one with the rubber one. The part number is right there. 3020. Sensor rubber screw-in. Okay? This is the one. I'm going to put it on the tire now. Mount and dismount. Off we go. Thanks for watching.